At Techie, we oversee the sales of over 200 electronic repair shops. And one thing that we can tell you will take your business from profitable to super mega profits is the follow up game. And I'm not talking about, oh, somebody called you, you missed the call and you follow up, right? That's super important. That's to be expected to be done. The follow up game in 30 days after your customer comes in and they've paid you, you follow up. Hey, I just want to check in. How is your device doing? How is your MacBook? How's your iPhone that we fixed, right? 60 days, call them again, 90 days, right? Have these intervals and just ask for a simple Google review. But the most important thing is you're just starting to have a conversation with these people. We have a bunch of videos showing how well this works on our YouTube. And one of them was great. Made the phone call. He said, we asked for a Google review. He said, absolutely. And then he talked about how he has a broken gaming computer that's worth thousands of dollars that he's going to bring into our shop just because we followed up with him, just because we made the conversation go again.